The Nikon Z6 IV might be one of the most exciting cameras coming soon. People are talking about big upgrades that could make it perfect for both photographers and videographers. With a possible new 61 megapixel sensor, better video quality, and useful design changes, this camera could be a game changer. Nikon cameras are known for their solid build, and it looks like the Z6 IV will continue this tradition. It's expected to keep a similar strong and weather-sealed body like the previous models, which means it should work well in different conditions like rain, dust, or even snow. One exciting change might be the fully articulating touchscreen. This would make it much easier to shoot from high or low angles, or even flip the screen around for video work. It also helps when filming yourself for YouTube or doing live streams. One of the most talked about features of the Nikon Z6 IV is its possible new 61 megapixel sensor. If true, that's a huge jump from the 24.5 megapixel sensor found in the Z6 III. This change would give much more detail in every shot, perfect for landscape, studio, or product photography, where sharpness matters most. This level of resolution will also allow for large prints, cropping without losing quality, and capturing even the smallest textures. For photographers who want the best detail possible, this sensor would be a major reason to upgrade. Nikon seems to be focusing on video just as much as photography this time. The Z6 IV is expected to offer 4K video at 60 frames per second, which gives smooth footage for interviews, vlogs, and more. It may also support 4K at 120 frames per second with a 1.5x crop, great for super slow motion video. These flexible frame rates make the Z6 IV useful for different kinds of video work, from fast action to cinematic scenes. Handheld shooting is often tricky, especially in low light or when using long lenses. The Nikon Z6 IV is expected to feature 5-axis in-body image stabilization, which may offer 5 to 6 stops of shake reduction. Whether you're shooting handheld at night or filming a moving subject, stabilization can make a big difference in quality. Even though the sensor might have more megapixels, Nikon seems to be working on keeping image quality high across all ISO levels. This means the camera could still perform well in low light, keeping noise low and detail high. Battery performance matters, especially if you're shooting events, long videos, or spending a whole day outside. Nikon may introduce a new battery type or improve the current one to give more shooting time per charge. While the Nikon Z6 IV is shaping up to be a powerful tool, it's also likely to be priced as a premium model. The price may sit higher than the previous Z6 cameras, but it reflects the new features and performance upgrades. Earlier talk suggested a release in late 2025, but now many expect it to arrive in the first half of 2026. This gives Nikon more time to polish the camera and make sure everything works well before launch. The Nikon Z6 IV is shaping up to be one of the most exciting camera releases in recent years. With huge improvements in resolution, better video features, strong image stabilization, and smart design choices, it seems built for modern creators who do both photography and video. Whether you're capturing still shots in nature, filming content for YouTube, or shooting fast-moving subjects, this camera could meet your needs with ease. While we still wait for the official launch, there's no doubt the Z6 IV is already on many wish lists, and for good reason.